Welcome back to Tharani, I'm Joe B. In this informative video, we'll discuss the necessary home modifications that can prevent elderly falls so we can help our loved ones age. Let's dive in. There are 5 areas of the house that a fall can occur, and we can approach it from the outside to the inside. 14% of falls can occur on steps, so a great modification to prevent falls and prepare for future ease of getting in and out of your home is a ramp. To calculate, the rule is that for every 1 inch of rise, then 12 inches of ramp incline is needed. So if you need to make a ramp on the side of 2 steps, then each step is 6 inches each, typically, so 12 inches of height in total. So if you apply the rule of 12 inches of ramp per 1 inch rise, then 12 times 12 equals 144 inches. A ramp railing is a must on either side with width at least 32 to 48 inches. In the main door, 10% of falls occur, same as the garage door. To prevent falls here and facilitate stepping in, a vertical bar can be placed 18 inches long, 1.5 inches in diameter, and between the bar and the wall. And finally, it has to be placed in line with the doorknob. Same principles are applied when installing grab bars next to the entry door. Please ensure also that all doorways are at least 32 to 48 inches in width to be wheelchair accessible. 43% of falls occur on ground level and in either the bedroom or bathroom. So, a handicapped bathroom is a must to prevent falls and facilitate ease of transfers. A grab bar can be placed next to the toilet and should be at least 12 inches away from the wall, 42 inches in length, and 33 to 36 inches from the floor. If a grab bar is too expensive, then you can purchase a 3-in-1 commode and take off the bowl so you can put the frame on top of your toilet. This can raise the seat to 20 to 22 inches instead of the typical 17 to 19 inches for ease of getting up from the toilet, especially if your legs are weak. For the walk-in shower, grab bars can be placed to prevent falls and facilitate ease of getting in and out safely. First option is a horizontal grab bar that should be at least 24 to 36 inch long and above the faucet. If you do not prefer that, you can install a diagonal grab bar instead for 24 to 32 inches long, 1.5 inches in diameter and between the bar and the wall, as well as 33 to 36 inches from the floor. It should be angled at 45 degrees and drilled to the studs for stability. If you do not prefer that, then a vertical grab bar can be installed for 18 to 24 inches long, 1.5 inches in diameter, and is 33 to 36 inches from the floor. It is best to install the vertical grab bar at the edge of the shower lip and drilled to the studs. If you own a tub shower, then if you prefer to install a horizontal grab bar, it should be 32 inches long, 1.5 inches in diameter and between the bar and the wall, as well as 8 to 10 inches from the tub rim. If you do not prefer that, then a vertical grab bar can be installed instead for 18 inches long, 1.5 inches in diameter, 8 to 10 inches from the tub rim, and installed at the edge of the tub. To safely get in and out of the shower, please watch this next video. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment. And for more therapy animations, please subscribe to Tharani.